This is sort number 24 from the Cumberland County Words Their Way. The letters or the blends are sn, sk, and sw. Remember that we do not cut our headers apart. We cut them in one equal line. So one more time, we have sn like snail, sk like scooter, sw like swing. I first sort my pictures. And when I look at my pictures, I look at what is in the picture and which sound the picture word starts with. My first word is school. Sk. School starts with sk, like scooter. So I put it underneath my scooter. My next word is sn, snow. So I take my snow and put it underneath the snail. Oh, I have two words. They're stuck together. So I put my snow under snail and I take my next picture, the one that was stuck on it. So this one is a switch, swing, switch. They start with the same sound. My next picture is swim, swim, goes under swing. This is sweep, sweep. Sweep also goes under sw. Then I have snap, snap my fingers, snap, snap goes under snail, sn. Then I have a scarf, scarf. Scarf goes under sk. Then I have a snake, snake. Sn goes sn. Snake goes under snail. My next picture is a scarecrow, scarecrow. So it goes under sk, like scooter. Then I have a scale, scale, and it's under scooter. The scale is an old-fashioned one. It kind of looks like a clock, but it's still a scale. This is a snack. My favorite time of the day. Snack. Snack goes under sn, like snail. My last word is a sweater. Sweater. So it goes under sw for swing, the SW. Now I'm going to go over to my words. When I get my words, I read my word first. Then I look what my word starts with, and I'll go down that column to find the matching word. Ready? So this word says switch. So I'm going to look. Switch, sweater, switch, sweep, switch, swim, switch, switch. Oh, I'm going to lay it right there with my switch. The next word I have is school. School starts with a SC. So I'm going to go to the SC column, the sk column. I'm going to go school, scale. No, doesn't match. School, scarecrow. No. School, scarf. No. School and school. I lay it right on top. My next word is snow. Snow starts with sn, like snail. So I'm going to go snow, snack. Nope. Snow, snake. Nope. Snow, snap. Nope. Snow and snow. So I can lay it on that picture. My next word is swim. Swim starts with a swim. So I go to my sw column and I'm going to go swim, sweater. Nope. Swim, sweep. Nope. Swim and swim. I can lay it on top. My next word is snap. I love that word. Snap. Starts with sn. So I go to my sn column. Snack, snap. Nope. Snake, snap. Nope. Snap, snap. Yes, I'll lay it on top. Then I have the word scarf. Scarf starts with sk. So I go to my sk column. Scarf, scale. Nope. Scarf, scarecrow. Nope. Scarf and scarf. I lay it on top. My next word is snake. Snake starts with sn. So I go snack, snake. Then I have the word sweater. So sweater starts with sw. So I go right here. Oh, yep, sweater, sweater. And I have the word scarecrow. Scarecrow. Sk. Scale, scarecrow. My next word is sweep. Sweep. Sw, sw. Right here is my word sweep. Then I have the word scale. Remember, sk sounds SC. So right there is my scale. And my last word is my favorite word. Snack. Sn. Right here is my snack. Let's read the words one more time, starting with our header. Sn, snail. Snow. Snap. Snake. Snack. Then we go to sk, scooter. School. Scarf. Scarecrow. Scale. Then we go to our last header. Sw, swing. Switch. Swim. Sweep. Sweater. Now that I've read all my words, the next job is for you to write down your header in your notebook and then write the words down the correct way. After you're done, get signed off.